All right, gang, here we go. I have a 2.5 pound chuck roast that has been marinated in the Allegro brisket and fajita injection and marinade. And we're going to cover it with Rich's River Dirt all purpose. Bring it back when I got seasoned up and ready to go in the pit. See you, gang. All right, gang, I just want to show you the picture of this with that Rich's River Dirt all purpose on there. The color on that is pretty amazing. I'm going to apologize ahead of time if you hear a bunch of wind and stuff. Like I said, we are out camping. So I'm going to get this, put in that little guy, and we're going to get to cooking. And we'll be back. All right, gang, here you go. 2.5 hours in. Oh my God, look at that color. Rich, I'm going to tell you, buddy, I can't wait to try this. So we're going to sign off for now, and we'll bring you back when we check the internal temp, and we're going to treat it just like brisket. So we'll see how it turns out. See you in a short, gang. All right, guys, here we are with our chuck roast. It's about 195 degrees right now. We're going to cube it, put it in this pan, glaze it with some my homemade barbecue sauce, and we'll bring it back. Thanks, guys. Okay. All right, everybody. This is my review of the Rich's River Dirt, the AP rub, poor man's Burnett's chuck roast, taken to 200 degrees. Seasoned, like I said, with Rich's River Dirt. Sprinkled it after I cubed it, put my own sauce on it, so now we're going to give it a try. So here we go, gang. Rich, I gotta say, honestly, I think Heaven Made Products done you good, buddy. I love the ingredients label, how it's the same on all three. Really smart, my friend. Nice savory flavoring out of this. My barbecue sauce had some sweet to it, but I did taste this ahead of time. I gotta tell you what, guys, give Rich a try. Rich's River Dirt, it works. See you next time, gang.